So this is a T1 from DYU, and this is a pedal assist bike, and it's illegal in my country. Let's talk about that. So this bike was given to me by DYU for review, and I made a couple of videos about it, and I really love it, especially the fact that it has a booster button which makes it super easy to set off. Unfortunately, that exact booster button is what makes it illegal. Now, right off the box, this thing is not included. It's included in the package, but it's not installed. So you do have to install it yourself. Now, the reason why it is illegal in my country, if you press the booster button, the bike drives, even if you don't pedal. So even though this is a pedal assist bike, you can also drive it without pedaling it, and that makes it an e-scooter. And e-scooters are illegal unless you have insurance and you have a license plate, which I clearly do not have. I was talking to a local policeman, and he told me that it is in fact illegal to drive with this if you get caught. So the thing you could do in order to avoid getting caught is to always pretend as if you're pedaling. So even if you're pressing the booster button and you pedal, for the outside world, this is just a pedal assisted bike. But I have been on the road and I have seen some people driving similar bikes, and they just weren't pedaling it. So it was super obvious that they were just using the booster button and just driving like that. So what's the idea going forward? Well, actually it's very simple. Just either one, as I said before, pretend as if you're pedaling and hope you don't get caught, because chances are you won't get caught. To be safe, you just don't add the booster button, because frankly, the pedal assist mode is very good. Once you start pedaling, the motor kicks in and you get the assistance that you need. So yeah, I don't think it's a deal breaker, not at least for me, but it's very important to be aware of if you install that throttle button or booster button, that you don't get caught or that you don't end up in trouble that you weren't anticipating. So yeah, check your local code. For reference, I live in Belgium, and for me, I have to get insurance and I have to have a license plate, but I won't be getting that for this bike. So I'll probably end up taking the booster button away, but just be careful and be safe. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. I hope you got something out of it, and I hope you're now safe and legal driving this awesome T1 bike from DYU. See you in the next one. Peace.